Hey guys, today we're gonna make mandarin Tangulu. So all we need is some mandarin
and skewers and sugar.
Yeah, so first let's peel the mandarin. Now we're gonna put the oranges through the skewer. See, like that. Let's add one more. See, let's hold it called that. Let's there's another one. So we put the mandarin on the skewers, and now we're gonna put 1 cup of sugar in here. Yeah, add the sugar. And 1 cup of half a cup of water actually. I'm gonna add half a cup of water. Keep adding it. Yep. Now let's go boil this until it starts bubbling. When it starts bubbling like this, you can turn it off. Now that it's ready, let's get some ice and add it to some water. And then we can start dipping it in sugar. Okay, so the syrup is now ready. We're going to dip our Tangulu sticks in there. So let's dip. Now it's ready, so let's dip our Tangulu mandarin in there. Now it's ready. Just put in the water.
Look at the Tangulu.
Yes,
Tangulu.
it's good.
Oh, there's some crumbs.
Wow. Nice.
Tangulu തിന്നു നോക്കിയാലോ
Simple.